Once again, welcome back. Now we are going to design our second design, which is a combination of row, list, table kind of items. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to design with the card. So let's get started. The product showdown. Okay, then going to edit. First thing is the white space around the text with a gray top border. So what I'm going to do is first we need a gray container like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, first need to add container, and container child should be a row because it has 3 dots. So on clicking on the container, on long press on the row, it will add as removing the row. First add a container, and by selecting container, click on row. The row will be the child of the container. Inside the row we need 3 dots. Basically we can create gray dots using containers and wrapping them. Okay, sorry, delete it. Long press to add the container. 1 second, 3 dots. So outer container color is must be light gray. Okay, very light. Close. And it has size box size should be 10. Okay, and again 10. Okay, okay, and container radius is 5 to make circle. Okay, 5. Okay, 5. And the background color is somewhat dark gray. Close. Okay. Okay. Okay, the outer container width is maximum of the screen, so I'm giving 9 to it, and it has some padding all over that, so I'm going to give 32 on top. 32. Oh, 32 is too large. I'll give 16. Okay, right side to 16, bottom to 16, left side to 16, and it has rounded edge only on top side, so I'm going to give top side of 32, or it's too big. 24. No, 16. Nice one. And top right to 16. Okay, after that every content is inside the white screen. So what I'm going to do is unselect the container, add one more container background should white. F is white. Okay, but in the corner radius I'm going to corner only at the bottom side. So what I'm going to do is top left is 0, top right is 0, bottom left is 16, and bottom left is 16. That's right. After that, every item inside the white space we are going to add inside this container only. So it might be column one by one. So delete the sized box, and in the container add column. Under the column, first is a text one. I'm going to add text, and the text span, I'm not going to use the text span. Okay, yes, mail jump. Okay, and another one is space 2 space save. Okay, another one is email marketing platform platforms, save, and put a space, then compared, then save. Okay, here we go, and we need a background color of this color. Okay, somewhat this one. Okay, close. And text size should be somewhat bigger. Okay, and the two size too big. Okay, and email background color to say this color. Close and resizing. Okay, and then compared, only resize. Okay, and select the text span. I'm going to style it to bold. Not working. Okay, here. Oops, we need to make everything bold by selecting it. Okay, okay, okay. Then the white space has some border around to it, so I'm going to select the container and I'm going to add padding to it, like 32 and top 32, right 32, bottom 32. Okay, okay, I'm missing the color, I hope. Yes, as you can see, right side it has some borders to it, so we need to fill the width. Okay, now it's correct. I'm going to fill with the pure white, and again I'm going to give some border so the white color will maybe visible. Okay, I'm going with the gray color. Okay, 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 on that size to 2 pixel. Now the border is visible very much. And the next one is adding one more column. Okay, select by selecting the column, I will add one more image here, blod. Okay, this one comes here. Okay, here it's added, and it should have padding over it. Clicking on the padding, I'm going to add only for top 32 pixel. Okay, and then the network image, I'm going to add the height. Okay, it will fill the width. Okay, 999. Okay, maximum width it can contain. Okay, then select the column. So again we have one profile icon and name and description kind of symbol, so it must be the row. Adding it, and profile icon, by selecting the row I'm going to upload an image with the icon by going to pictures. Okay, network image width size 100 pixel. No, 100 is very large for this one. 50 pixel. Then the row might contain one more column. Okay, inside the column 2 texts, and first one is a name text, and second one is description, and everything should be center aligned. Main axis alignment center. Okay, not this one, cross axis alignment center. Okay, and it should have some padding only on top. 32, that's good. And the second column should have some space, so I'm going to add it in the padding. I'm adding padding left side only. Okay, then okay, selecting this column again on text view, and this text span, this post, okay, on this one, and put a space. Then this background color to yellow. Close. Okay, then select the column, put a padding. Oops, delete. Select the column, by long press you can add padding underneath that, and delete padding, and we need a text over there. Okay, and the text should be I do deep into you. Okay, we need some more padding over there at the top side. Okay, unselect it, select this column and put padding again. Oops, sorry, put padding by long pressing it. Okay, I'm deleting this one, selecting, and add a text, and text should be thin. Okay, we need top side padding to 32 pixel. And we need a bottom to 32 too. It has some space. Okay, unselect this one, select this column, and we need again row type of textures. So, but that should comes under padding. So adding one more padding. Again I made a mistake. Remove the padding and select the column. On long press padding, padding is added here. Delete the sized box, and we need a row over here because yeah, bullet symbol is there. So I'm going to click on, okay, click on row. The row is added. Then we need a one container. Oh, sorry, long press to add the container, and one more text by clicking on it. Okay, containers color should be yellow. Close, and sized box should be 1010, and container corner radius should be 555. We got the bullet. And the text is cost value. Okay, and we need some spacing. It's 1 2 3. Okay, save. I don't want to lose the data, that's the reason I saved. And I'm going to center line everything. Okay. Okay, and I'm selecting this column again, adding one more padding by long pressing on it, and again remove the size box, and we need a row over there, and inside the row we need a container by long press on it, container, and one more text here, and the container size is 1010, and color should be in the yellow side. Okay. 5555. Okay, and the text should be two, three. Okay, select column again, and by long pressing on padding, add as a child, and remove the child box, and put a row over there, and by long pressing container is added, and one more text is added. Container background color is yellow, close, and size is 10 pixels, and corner radius is 5, and the text should be 123. Templates, and the center save. Okay. I'm selecting column again, and one more time padding, and here it comes to delete this one. We need a row ups. Okay. First we can add row 2, then long press to add the container. By selecting the row, we can wrap inside the padding and text, and sizes as we know 5. Background color should be on the yellow side, and this should be 10, and text yes of okay, and here center line. Okay. Then again I select the column, put the padding ups, remove the padding. Okay. Put padding by as the child by long pressing on it, use. Okay. Remove in the row, and container and text, container color, okay, we need some more spacing over here. We need one more padding by long pressing on it, and under padding we need definitely we need a row. Okay. And the row side we need a container and text, container, and the corner radius again 5. Okay, and what else we need to do? Next thing, we have a text, and by selecting the column. uh, we need a padding. Okay, again by mistake. By long, oops, container is ordered. I'm just deleting it. The size box is that deleted. And by selecting the column, I need to add a padding over there, and under the padding I need to be a text, and under the text there is a 2 elements, so make sure to read this. And put a space. Okay, so here we have the text, somewhat size is bigger, and second text, okay, and the color should be like this. Okay, and padding top side is 32 and bottom side is 64. Okay, next, closing this one, select the container or the text. The text should be product overview, and size is somewhat big like that, bold. Okay, and then select the column again we have text, but this time under padding. Okay, select text. Okay, okay, so it should be under the text, so I'm selecting selected text and saving here. Okay, and one more thing, some saving again, and here it has, and background color kind of blue. Close. Then one more text, and I need to add some padding on top, 32. Okay, I will add it bottom to 32, so next time I don't need to add some padding over there. And select column, put a text over there, and text has 2 styles, so I'm going to just add here VCS ISD updated. Okay, this is nice. And here we have some table kind of text. So unselect everything, select this column, and that should be column again, but it's another column. So I'm going to add column by clicking in it, and this is our column. Oops, my miss. Okay, column. And first one is having only 2 elements at right side, so it must be the row. By clicking on it, we have the row. Inside the row, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 elements, because 1 2 3 like that. So all 3 are containers for the first row. Oops, by mistake. Select the row by long press it. 1 2 3. Okay. For first container it is 100 cross 100, no worries. Second container I'm going to change only the color, color to gray. Good. And the third container I'm going to choose color to gray. Oops, where is the third container? Background color to gray. Nice. But we have some more specialized spacing, right? Well, like half of the space for left item and the remaining half of the space for remaining 2 items. So what I'm going to do is select the container, expand it, this container, expand it, this container, expand it too, and this container should be center aligned. Clicking on align, and this container should be center aligned. That's nice. This expanded flux is okay, maybe 6, and this is 2, and this one is 2, so totally 10. What else we are missing? Alignment by always top center, and here to top center. Okay, single row is completed. Then next we have cost and value row. By selecting the column, click the row, and first one is a text, adding it. Okay, and next 2 and 3 are the bullet points, so I'm going to add containers for that. Okay, container sized box should be 10 10, and here too 10 10, and rounded corners with the 5. First one is with gray. Okay, and second one is with blue. Okay, and it's not has the edge over here. Okay, then we need to expand everything. 1 2 3, same as above. First expand has 6 flux, and remaining one is for 2, and the third one is 2, also has 2. Okay, and the container is center aligned, here to center aligned, and the value must be top center, and here to select the alignment top center, and it must have some padding. Select the row, click the padding, and it has some padding, top to 16 pixel. Okay, select text, and the text span content should be cost value. In the same way, I'm going to add one more column. Okay, select this column, by long press the padding on it, add one more padding, and inside the padding we need a row. Just click on the row. First one is text, and 2 containers for bullet points. Okay, it should be 5. Okay, in the same way you can add some more element too. So to save timing, I stop here and we left only with the conclusion. So select the column text, and the text should be conclusion. And size somewhat bigger. Okay, this much. Bold. Okay, and it needs some space, so select and wrap it with the padding. On top side we have a 16 and not 32. Okay, and bottom to 32 no, okay, on 24 pixels. Okay, that finds. Select the column, put our final text here, and select the text, and text should be VECA is it as much more. Okay, select text span and add put a space here, and its background color somewhat red. Close. And for the final text we have some more padding. We could add here as well by putting two extra enters, but what the nonsense they are written over there. Good luck. Good luck. Hmm. Okay, so I'm saving the document. It's saved. Now I'm going to Ladan's blog. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here is our documents. Okay, moving here is exactly same as how we wanted it, because it's having more space. It's listing like that. I'm going to small screen. Okay, 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 to email like this. So as now, as you can see, it's exactly looking same as what we started with that. Okay, thanks for watching again.